Did you know that the average American household contains about 300,000 items? That's right, 300,000. It's a staggering number when you think about it. That's a lot of stuff. Imagine trying to keep track of all those items. It's no wonder we often feel like we're drowning in our own homes. From clothes and kitchen gadgets to books and toys, our homes are overflowing with possessions. Every room in the house can become a storage space for things we might not even use or need. It's no wonder so many of us feel overwhelmed by clutter. The constant visual reminder of all the things we own can be mentally exhausting. We are practically drowning in it. Navigating through our homes can feel like an obstacle course, and finding what we need becomes a daily challenge. This accumulation of belongings isn't just about having too much. It's about the impact it has on our daily lives and our mental well-being. It's about the impact it has on our lives. Clutter can make us feel stressed, anxious, and even embarrassed when guests come over. Clutter can make us feel stressed, anxious, and even embarrassed. It can affect our productivity and our ability to relax in our own homes. It can steal our time, energy, and peace of mind. But there's good news. We don't have to live this way. Decluttering and organizing our homes can be life-changing. By taking small steps to reduce the clutter, we can create a more peaceful and functional living environment. Imagine walking into a room and feeling a sense of calm and order. It's possible, and it starts with making the decision to declutter today. Imagine walking into your home and feeling a sense of calm wash over you. Picture inviting friends over without frantically tidying up beforehand. This is the power of a decluttered and organized home. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sanctuary, a space where you can truly relax and recharge. When you declutter, you're not just getting rid of stuff, you're creating space for the things that truly matter: family, friends, passions, and peace of mind. Decluttering can feel like a daunting task, especially when life gets busy. Many people feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of stuff they need to sort through. Others struggle to find the time to tackle the clutter amidst their already packed schedules. But don't worry, you're not alone. We all face these challenges. The key is to start small, be patient with yourself, and embrace simple DIY organization ideas that fit your lifestyle. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. Decluttering doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a few simple DIY organization ideas, you can transform your home into a clutter-free haven. These tips are easy to implement and can be tailored to fit any space or budget. Remember, the goal is to create a system that works for you and helps you maintain a clutter-free lifestyle. Ready to get started? Let's dive into some practical tips. Section 5. Categorize and conquer. The first step to organization. One of the easiest and most effective ways to tackle clutter is to categorize your belongings. By breaking down your items into specific groups, you can create a more manageable and organized space. Start by choosing a room or area to focus on. It could be your bedroom, kitchen, or even just a single closet. The key is to start small and not overwhelm yourself. Then, create categories for your items, such as clothing, books, electronics, or paperwork. You can also have subcategories like summer clothes, fiction books, or office supplies. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial for creating a sense of order and making decisions about what to keep, donate, or discard. By categorizing, you can see exactly what you have and make more informed choices. As you categorize, ask yourself these questions. Do I use this item regularly? Do I love it? Does it bring me joy or serve a purpose in my life? Do I use this item regularly? Do I love it? These questions help you determine the true value of each item and whether it deserves a place in your home. Does it serve a purpose in my life? If an item doesn't meet these criteria, it might be time to let it go. Remember, the goal is to create a space that is functional and filled with things that you truly need and cherish. If the answer is no, it might be time to let it go. Letting go of items can be challenging, but it's a necessary step towards a more organized and clutter-free life. Consider donating items that are still in good condition, or recycling those that can no longer be used. By doing so, you're not only creating a better space for yourself, but also helping others and the environment. Section 6. Bins, baskets, and boxes, your decluttering allies. Once you've categorized your belongings, it's time to invest in some storage solutions. Bins, baskets, and boxes are your best friends when it comes to decluttering. They help you corral similar items together, creating a sense of visual calm. Choose containers in various sizes and materials to fit your needs and style. Clear bins are great for visibility, while wicker baskets add a touch of rustic charm. Don't be afraid to get creative and have fun with it. Section 7. The power of labels. Finding what you need in a flash. Labels are the secret weapon of an organized home. They make it easy to find what you need, when you need it, without having to rummage through multiple containers. Label your bins, baskets, and boxes with clear, concise descriptions of their contents. You can use a label maker, adhesive labels, or even just a Sharpie and some masking tape. The key is to be consistent and make sure your labels are easy to read. Section 8. Space savvy. Making the most of what you have. Maximizing your existing space is essential for effective organization. Look for underutilized areas in your home, such as under beds, above cabinets, or on the backs of doors. These often overlooked spots can provide valuable storage space for seasonal items, extra linens, or infrequently used belongings. Consider using vertical space to your advantage. Shelving units, wall-mounted organizers, and over-the-door racks can help you maximize storage without sacrificing valuable floor space. Section 9. The magic of vertical space, a case study. Let's take a closer look at the transformative power of vertical space with a real-life example. This case study will illustrate how a few simple changes can make a world of difference in home organization. Imagine a pantry overflowing with canned goods, spices, and baking supplies. It's a chaotic scene that many of us are all too familiar with. It's a common problem in many homes. The lack of proper storage solutions often leads to clutter and disarray, making it difficult to find what you need when you need it. But by installing simple shelves, you can instantly create more storage space and restore order to this chaotic area. The process is straightforward and can be done with minimal effort. Before the transformation, the pantry shelves were cluttered and disorganized, making it difficult to find anything. Items were often misplaced, leading to frustration and wasted time. Items were stacked precariously on top of each other, threatening to topple over at any moment. This not only created a mess, but also posed a safety hazard. After installing additional shelves, the pantry was transformed into an organized haven. The vertical space was utilized efficiently, allowing for better organization and easier access to items. Canned goods were neatly lined up, spices were grouped together in labeled containers, and baking supplies had their designated spot. Everything had a place, and finding items became a breeze. The best part? This simple DIY project can be completed in an afternoon and requires minimal tools and materials. With just a few hours of work, you can achieve a significant improvement in your pantry's organization. Labeling containers is another effective strategy to maintain order. By clearly marking each container, you can ensure that everything is returned to its proper place after use. Utilizing vertical space also means making use of higher shelves. A step stool can be a handy addition to help you reach those upper areas without any hassle. The satisfaction of seeing a well-organized pantry is immense. It not only makes daily tasks easier, but also brings a sense of accomplishment and peace of mind. This case study highlights the dramatic difference that vertical storage solutions can make. From a cluttered mess to an organized haven, the transformation is truly remarkable. So if you're struggling with a disorganized pantry, consider the magic of vertical space. With a little effort and creativity, you can turn chaos into order and enjoy a more functional and pleasant kitchen environment. Section 10. Decluttered and serene. Reaping the rewards. Decluttering and organizing your home offers a multitude of benefits. Not only will you enjoy a more visually appealing and functional living space, but you'll also experience a sense of calm and peace of mind. Imagine coming home to a clutter-free environment after a long day. No more tripping over shoes in the hallway or searching endlessly for your keys. Everything has its place, and you're in control. Section 11. Your turn to organize, embrace a clutter-free life. So, are you ready to embark on your own decluttering journey? Remember, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, be patient, and use these simple DIY organization ideas as your guide. What are your favorite tips for decluttering and organizing your home? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. For more inspiration and practical advice, check out these resources. The Home Edit by Clee Shearer and Joanna Teplin, Cluttered Mess to Organize Success Workbook by Cassandra Ayerson, and Organizing Solutions for People with ADHD by Susan Pinsky. Happy organizing!